Here at Renew Dental Implants, we've got a great team. We have Jolie, we have Karen that are able to guide you through the process to help lessen your anxiety level. That way patients are informed at all times and there are no surprises. We understand that sometimes dental anxiety is very paralyzing. We're here to help you. The reason we created Renew Dental Implants is to help patients get individualized, customized treatment. We're here to focus on nothing but dental implants and smile rehabilitations. We've created this full office to be centered around that. For patients who have dental anxiety that put off their treatment, unfortunately, things only get worse. Putting off dental treatment due to anxiety costs more money in the future, and unfortunately, more treatment has to be done, more aggressive treatment has to be done. So the best thing to do is come here, Renew Dental. We're going to be able to help you out, and let's get things done for you. If you or anyone you know has dental anxiety, please don't delay necessary dental treatment. Let's get you on a path to a better smile and a better life.